Let's learn how to change your YouTube name on an iPhone. It's very simple, but many people don't know how to do it. If you want to learn, stay until the end of the video. First, check if your YouTube app is updated by going to the App Store. When the App Store opens, click on the button in the bottom right corner. This is the search button. When the search page opens, type in YouTube. The YouTube app page will open. If it says Open next to it, your app is updated. If it says Update, click on the Update button. The first thing you need to do after updating YouTube is to find and open the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the correct account. Once you are sure, we can begin. When the YouTube app opens, click on the option in the bottom right corner of the screen called You. This will open a page with information about your channel. Below your name at the top, you will see the option View Channel. Click on this option, and a page with your videos and other information will open. Click on the pencil icon to the right of the Manage Videos button. When you click on the pencil icon, a page with editable options will open. Click on Name and change your name by deleting the current name and typing in the new one you want. When you do this, you have successfully changed your YouTube name. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.